So good morning class ninth. So before we start today's class, please, this is my request to everyone, switch on your cameras and nobody will switch off during the class. Okay, Shivansh, no issue. But those who are having the webcam working, please switch on the cameras. Okay, Suyash, no issue. Rest of you, please switch on the camera. I am also using desktop, Suyash. Okay, Gaurang, no problem. Those whose web camera is working, they can switch on. Okay, Prakar, it's okay. Thank you, Riddhi. Thank you, Soumya beta. Okay, let me tell you the problems which you people have done in the test. First of all, I will start from the Arisha. Arisha beta, are you getting
Yes,
my
sir.
voice? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Arisha, in the LCM program in the last class,
Yes, sir.
I have told beta that
Yeah,
formula.
I used it too.
Ha. This was the only problem with you. Otherwise,
Yes,
rest was okay. Very good. Okay.
yes,
And
sir.
you are getting your problem. That is very good. Riddhi, Riddhi Kalra.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you have also done some silly mistakes. Let me tell you the problem. Riddhi, very silly mistake you have done in the paper. 1 marks, I think you have missed out of 20, right?
Yes, sir.
When you will
Yes,
get the answer sheet, you can see that. So, first of all, let me tell you one thing. In the pattern printing out question, like question number 2 and question number 5, some of you have not taken the input for number of rows, right? And in the question straight away, it was written, write a program to enter n number of rows. Everyone getting my point? But please respond. Okay. In the question number 5 also, we were supposed to enter the number of rows. And some of you have done that program without taking the number of rows as input. You have used in both programs number of rows as 4. So I have cutted 1 marks for that. Because in that in question it is already mentioned you need to take input of number of rows, and that example I have given for rows 4. Am I clear? Everyone, Anushka, Kasaudan, Rachit beta.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I hope, and some of you again I am repeating, in the LCM program the question was enter 3 numbers and print their LCM. So for finding the LCM of more than 2 numbers, we cannot use the formula which we have done for 2 numbers, like A into B upon their SCF of AB. That is not applicable for 3 number, 4 number and 5 number, right? That is applicable only for 2 numbers. Am I clear, everybody? Dhriti, Prakriti Singh, Priyamvada, Rudraksh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Parv Srivastav. Parv Srivastav.
Present, sir.
Present तो ठीक है बेटा, but your performance is very low. Out of 20 in programming, you got just 5 marks. Are you getting my voice?
Sir, can you please repeat?
Yeah, sure. Beta, in the programming section, you have done very poor. And now you got only 5 marks out of 20. What is the problem, beta? Why are you getting marks like this?
And sir, in the other part?
Don't talk about the other part. I am talking about only the programming part. You are not putting your efforts. That is why you are getting very poor marks.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So please pay attention during the class, and after the class also just try the programs whatever we are discussing on computer. Ankit Sharma. Ankit. Ankit Sharma has not joined the class, huh? Okay. Uh, Wait a minute. Harshit Lalwani. Harshit Lalwani. Harshit, speak up, beta. You are there, I think. No. Okay, Aprashta, no problem. Harshit Lalwani is not there. Beta Harshit, if you will not speak, if you will not respond, I will mark you absent. Okay. Who else? Sarthak Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are there. Very good. Sarthak Pandey, again, this time again, you have done some silly mistake in the programming section. You have missed 2 marks. The LCM program, I think you have done the wrong, because the logic which you have applied for find, see, first of all, you are finding the largest, then you were putting the loop from 1 to that largest, then if you were dividing, and if the both numbers are divisible, then you were multiplying. After that, you were putting the formula. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So you can check later also. So that logic is wrong, beta, na? That is not applicable in this. I have given marks because some portion your was correct, but you have missed 2 marks for that. Aditya Mishra. Aditya Mishra. Yes, Aditya Mishra.
Yes, sir.
But you have missed 1 marks in the programming part only. Hana? Don't worry.
So what have I
Hopefully you
done
will
wrong?
get next time better marks. So overall your marks are, Aditya Mishra is 98 out of 100. Okay.
Sir, what was wrong?
But just now, I am not having your sheet in front of
Okay,
me,
okay.
but I hope you have missed some, silly mistake you have done. Don't worry about the only 1 marks I have cut it. Okay, that you can see later when you will get your answer sheet back. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
some of you, not some, actually, more maximum of you have done mistake in question number 4 also, in which we were supposed to find the middle digit, right? Some of you have, uh, counted the digit, that's fine. Then you have, if the number is having odd, so instead of odd, for checking condition, instead of odd, many of you have used condition for even, and then you were finding the middle digit. So for that I have cutted 1 marks for the if condition. If number of digit mod 2 and you have written equals to 0, then you were finding the digit, middle digit. So this was the basic reason. Plus, some of you have not used the correct working. One part was missing, like after finding the 10 to the power, 10 to the power, then you have used, skipped one part that I will show you. Just a minute. I am going to share my screen. I hope my screen is visible better. Right? So the number of digit in this number 129 is, my screen is visible, Arisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this program, the number of digit is 3, then 10 to the power 3. Sorry, not 3. What you will do? 3 upon 2, that is 1, plus this. So actually you are getting here 10 to the power 2, that is 100. So if you will divide this number by 100, see there are so many ways. This is the easiest way, and we have discussed this also. Wait a minute. Look at here, everyone. So 3 upon 2 directly we are doing this. That is 10 to the power 1. So now we will divide this number by 10. So what you will get? 120. So the remainder will be 9. And the quotient is coming here 12. So first of all, from this we will get the quotient, then quotient. Again we will do this mod 10. So what you will get? The middle digit. Am I clear this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
We are finding the number of digit, then upon 2, then you are getting this 10 to the power 1 is 10. Then we will get the quotient by dividing it. So for getting the quotient, we will use the division symbol. After that, whatever you are getting, like this here, we are getting 12 as a quotient. Then again we will mod it by 10 only. Means by this number, by this value again. So you will get the automatically the middle digit. So some of you have done this. You have you have counted the number of digit, finding the power also. Even you have done you have calculated the quotient also. But this part you have missed. So for that, maybe I have cutted 1 or 2 marks, because this is very important working. If rest everything is correct, then I have cutted only 1 marks. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So apart from this, any other doubt you want to discuss, bachcho? Any other question you want to ask from me? Adit, Sarthak, Arisha,
No, sir, it's fine.
No, sir.
Pakka,
No, sir.
Shor. Who is this Shor Verma? Shor,
Yes, sir.
what's your, but you are in which section?
Sir, actually, I've logged in from another account. Sir, I'm Shesh Verma.
Okay, Shresth Verma. Actually, your name is here visible as Shor Verma. Okay, Soham, Soumya Ashi, you want to ask something better in the paper? Yes, Soumya. Shlok Agrawal, you want to ask something? Amisha,
No, sir, all clear.
very good. Shlok Agrawal, all clear, तो ठीक है, but your marks was not up to the mark. Again, you have missed 2 marks. So don't do the silly mistakes. So now we are going to discuss some new programs. So write down the question. Web to print the following pattern for n rows. So the pattern I am going to share, that you need to try just now. Now see, थोड़ा ध्यान से करिएगा. This is a little bit different. Suppose the number of rows user has entered 4, right? So what we are supposed to print, please pay attention here, everyone. This question you need to copy in the notebook. These are the asterisks. And now here you need to draw the square. And in between there is nothing. That's a blank. So in the first row there are 4. In the second row there are 2 asterisks. In the third row again there are 2 asterisks. In the last row again you are having 4. If user has entered 3, then we will create a square of asterisk of 3 into 3. If the number of rows are 5, then we need to print the square of 5 into 5 asterisk star. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please note down this carefully and try this question. After that I will discuss this. Note down, for n rows, but next time onwards you need to switch on your cameras, everyone. If your camera is not working, please get it correct. Rectify the problem. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Eshita,
Yes,
are you getting this problem? A question?
sir.
Dhriti,
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, please try this. Harshit Lalwani. Harshit. But you can speak.
Yes, sir.
But why you have switched off your camera?
Sir, I'm facing some issues.
Okay. No problem. So, beta Harshit Lalwani, your performance is also not very good. Please, in the Google comprehension Google form just got 2 marks in the output based question. In the programming also you got very poor marks. Only 8 marks out of 20. So the performance is very poor, beta. Na? So please pay attention, and in case of any problem, just ask in the class. Is that clear? Without any hesitation. Today 5 are absent. 41 of you have joined till now. 41 or 40. I will post the recording later on. Please do it fast, everyone. After finishing, you can post the solution in the GCR also or in the chat box. But wherever you are posting, please let me know, intimate me.
I also have problem in answer question.
Kaun? Who is this?
Harshit.
Harshit beta. See, first try the output based question yourself, and if you are not getting, please let me know. We will have some extra class. I will put you in the remedial also. I will take your extra class also. Don't worry about that. But at least you should have asked, na beta. And after
Yes.
these things, you are now telling after the exam. Before the exam, if you are asking these things, that would be better for you. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So please try.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I have posted the solution in the chat box.
In the chat box, Riddhi, right?
Sir, Arisha.
Arisha, okay. Uh, is it working, beta, Arisha?
Yes, sir, I ran it. It's working.
Again, just give the input 7. Then tell me.
Okay. Okay.
Is it working?
Yeah, sir, it's working.
Very good. Yes. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Aditya, are you trying this?
Yes, sir, I'm trying. Sir, actually, I was on a call with Vandana ma'am, so can you please repeat the question?
The question is okay. The question is on your screen, beta. Let me share. I am already presenting my screen, I think.
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes,
there.
sir.
Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
This is square of a star. Okay? And user has to enter the number of rows.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Who else is trying? Riddhi, are you trying, beta?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Amisha, are you getting?
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Very good. And please try your logic, everyone. Do not copy and paste. Sarthak Pandey, are you getting?
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Very good. Shubhika, please try, beta. Dhriti, Kasaudan. Ghazi is absent. Wahid Haidar is absent. Okay, last minute I am giving you. After that, I will discuss this program. Okay, everyone, please look at here. My screen is visible now, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now everyone please look at here. Now see, as you can see here in the example I have given here, if the number of rows are 4, then if the number of rows are first and 4, then you are printing the star n times. So for that simple condition I am using here. Arisha, you can see हल्का सा मैं आपका लॉजिक को हल्का सा चेंज कर रहा हूं, but maximum it is same. So initially I am putting condition if I equals to 1 or I equals to
Sir,
n.
can I post on Google? Sir, can I post on Google Classroom?
Why not? Are you posting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that I will discuss. Show.
Sir, I have posted it as a comment.
Okay, okay. It has not come yet.
Sir, it is a comment on your poster where you had sent the link.
I got it. Is it working? I hope this will not work better.
Sir, it is working. Sir, I ran it.
Wait. I equals to 1, I equals to n. Yes. और ठीक है, otherwise blank. That's good. If it is working, well done. Very good. Now see. Okay, so what I am going to use here, the basic, if this condition is true or this one is true, then how many times we are going to print? In that case, we are simply starting a loop from 1 to n.
Sir, is it fine?
Yeah, it is. I have told you, beta. See, there are so many variation. You have tried that. Arisha has tried herself. Now I am trying this easy way because I feel ki this way is better for the mediocres, those who are not getting. See, if the first row, are you getting everyone? If the condition is true, then how many times we are printing 1 to n straightforward? So 4 times this will print this. But now just come to the else part. If the number of rows are not 1 and n, in that case, again, we'll what you will do? See, suppose the number of rows is 2, then the else will execute, not the if part. So what you are printing? You are printing this asterisk first. So we are printing from here. Then how many blanks you are printing? N minus 2. So for that we can take the loop. Any other variable also you can use, or j, because at a time only one part will execute. So here I am using this. So k has to start from less than equals to n minus 2. Then what you are supposed to print? Again the blank. So after printing these two blanks, now the control will come after this. And then after again, we are printing additional SOP, the star. Look at here. So from here, you will get this. And after that, again, on the next line, you will change the line. Then you will close this curly braces. Then one more curly braces at the end you will close. I hope this one is also clear, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The basic logic I have used, if the number of rows are 1 and last, then we are directly printing all the stars how many times? N times. And if it is not, means the else. So सबसे पहले आपने ये print किया, then we are printing the blanks, then this. If you want to print the additional blank in between this, so wherever you are printing, just यहाँ पे एक additional blank दीजिए, यहाँ पे दीजिए, यहाँ पे दीजिए और यहाँ पे दीजिए. हर जगह पे एक additional blank दे दीजिए, you will get the proper output. I hope this one is clear.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta. Adit, I think Adit, right?
Sir, Rachit.
हाँ, रचित बेटा, please.
Sir, can you please explain the loop and the else part again?
Sure, beta. Actually, there is no much space, है ना? That is why. See here.
Yes, sir.
Let me change the color also. So now, so the else will execute. When the else will execute means, in that case, the value of I would be 2 and 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, the loop is starting from, see, first of all, we are printing the asterisk. So you are getting this asterisk, right? This one. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So after this, your control will move to this part. See, the for loop. So it is starting from 2 to n minus 2. So 2 to n minus 2 means, sorry, it has to be 1.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, it has to be 1, beta. Sorry. Please do the required correction, everyone. So now the k has to be start with 1 to less than 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 1 and 2. So 2 times you are getting the blank here. After that, your control will coming outside of this for loop. And after that, you are coming on this part. Then again, you are printing this asterisk. Am I clear, Rachit?
Yes, sir.
And after that, there is nothing else, only the line changing. So we are changing the line. Then you are coming on to the third line. Then after that, again, I becomes 3. Again, this will be false. So again, the else will execute. So again, you will get this. Then 2 blanks. Then this. Then changing the line, you are coming on the fourth line. Then I will be 4. Then this part will be executing. And now 1, 2, 4. You are printing 4 times this. Am I clear, Rajit?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, beta.
sir.
I have missed this one. Something else, bachcho? Any query?
No, sir.
अरीशा बेटा क्लियर है? आप ही का चीज है, हमने थोड़ा सा इस तरह से किया है बस. आदित्य मिश्रा, the logic is mostly same, whatever you have used, Arisha and Aditya, but in different manner. And that I have already told that there are so many, variations are possible. Whatever you are getting, that is fair. But, when the teacher is telling, so I always prefer, the way which everybody can easily understand. Maybe you have understand this one also and the previous also which you have done, but all the things are correct. Ultimately, the desired output must be correct. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Bharat, any confusion, beta? Okay. Par Srivastav?
No, sir.
Okay, so with this I am ending the class, today's class, not giving any homework, but the thing is कि just copy all these things in your fair notebook बच्चों. Okay, thank you, you can
Thank
leave.
you, sir.
Those who are having doubt, they can ask their
Thank you,
doubts.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.